Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will tell you about Blue Bexchange application and how is it work. And I will also tell you that this application is real or fake. Let me clear one thing that this application is real and legit and can be able to withdraw your fund from watch only address. Also, let me clear one thing that there is two version of Bexchange application. One version is simple Bexchange application that is, and the second one version is Blue Bexchange application. The Blue Bexchange application is working all over countries and able to withdraw your funds in all over countries. But the Bexchange application, simple Bexchange application, is working in some countries. This is also real, but it is working in some countries. Okay, because of its oldest version. Bexchange application is the oldest version, so that it is work only in some countries, but Blue Bexchange application is real and working in all over countries. After that, raised one question on your mind that how we download this application. Now I'm going to tell you that how we get this application. So you can't be download it from Google Play Store or any other website because it is paid or only available in dark websites. I already purchased this application. Okay, if you want this application or any other kind of tools, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will give you all tools and all application you want. So just contact me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is showing on my screen and also is in my description. Simple text me on my WhatsApp number and get this application and all tools you want. After that, when you get all application or all tools from me, then you are able to withdraw your fund from Watch wallet address and enjoy your profit. When you contact me for these tools, I will also guide you step by step how to withdraw your funds. So just contact me on my WhatsApp, then I will give you tools and also guide you step by step. Hope you will like this video and share with your friends.